Hello friends. This video is of an interactive virtual reality environment of lathe machine created for the training and visualization purpose. As you can see in the video, all the basic operation of the lathe machine can be performed virtually. Such VR environments can be used for the training of students and employees in institutes and industries. Other feature like transparency of the outer body can be added to get better understanding and visualization of the inner components of the machine. It is shown in the later part of the video. You can even visualize the internal assembly of the machine in working stage. We are a startup and we are working on the development of augmented reality and virtual reality. You can read the description for more details. We would be posting more videos of such VR environments related to many different fields like machine training, architecture, and healthcare. This video is recorded in the Oculus Quest 2 virtual reality headsets. If you have any doubts or are interested in such AR and VR development, feel free to contact us in the mail ID given in description, or you can post the question in the comment section. Please do watch the full video. Thanks for your valuable time.